Alright, so what we're going to be doing now is you're multiplying binomials and trinomials. Multiplying binomials and trinomials. So, as you can see right here, we have two binomials. Okay, how we can tell these are binomials is that the fact that there's two in each one, you count them by seeing how many things are separated by a plus sign, so or plus or minus sign. So you have 1, 2 here. In this case, you have a minus sign, so you have 1, 2 here. So this is going to be a 2 by 2 box. So that's what I'm going to do, is going to make a 2 by 2 box. Okay. On one side, I'm going to put x plus 7, doesn't matter which. I'm going to put the x plus 7 up top, and then the x squared minus 3x on the side. So what this means is that where they meet, they multiply. Okay, so right here we have x squared, and you have x. So where they meet is right here. So we have 2x's here times 1x here. So in total, we're going to have 3 x's multiplying each other. So it just becomes x cubed. In this one, the 7 meets the x squared here. So it's going to be 7 times x squared, or just 7x squared. In this case, we're going to have an x times a negative 3x. So the x's multiply, and so does the negative 3, so it becomes negative 3x squared, because we have two x's. And finally, where these two multiply becomes negative 21x. So once we've done that, we're going to add the things that are like terms on the inside. So in this case, you have a 7 and a negative 3. So 7 plus a negative 3 will give you a positive 4. So now let's just put this in order from greatest to least exponents. It'd be x cubed. Then our newly found thing, so it becomes 4x squared plus 4x squared. And then minus 21x. And that's just your final answer. Now when you get to something a little bit bigger, like this one, see there's a plus and a minus sign, so you have 1, 2, 3 terms in this first one, you have 1, 2 in the second. So you're going to make a 2 by 3 box. Okay, so right here it's going to be x cubed 2x squared. So then it's going to be x squared plus 2x minus 4. So once again, where they meet, they multiply. We have 3 x's multiplying here and 2 x's multiplying here. When they meet, it makes 5 x's multiplying, or it's just x 5. This x cubed meets this 2x where they meet, so it's going to be 2 times x times 3 x's, so it'd be 2x to the 4th. Okay, next one's going to be x cubed times negative 4, it's negative 4x cubed. Where these meet becomes 2x to the 4th. Where these meet becomes 4x cubed. And then finally, where these meet becomes 8x squared. Okay. So now let's add like terms. So if these two are like terms, becomes 4. So first let's put the x5 down, because that doesn't have any like terms. Then we have 2 plus 2 equals 4. So it's going to be plus 4x to the 4th. Then you have a positive 4 plus a negative 4 gives you nothing, so I'm not even going to write anything there because these actually cross out. Finally, we have 8x squared, so it's plus 8x squared. And that's how you multiply binomials and trinomials.